Done a video in a while. I thought I would do one on something I've been learning lately. I decided I was going to pick up the Angular 2 framework, and in doing this I came across something called Firebase. Firebase is something that's offered from Google, firebase.google.com, and it's basically like an app deployment slash database storage hosting, that whole thing. It's like their Heroku, I guess. So what's cool is I created a sample database here, and this is following a tutorial. I created a database and I populated it with some data. As you can see, here's a reference to a item that's has this some URLs in here to an icon. You have a description, long description, some URLs. Anyway, this is going to get passed in to my Angular 2 app. So back in the Angular 2 app, I basically have a component here, and I'm constructing, I'm using the Angular Fire module to basically connect to the Firebase, and I'm basically, in this one, courses, I'm basically saying, give me a list of courses. But down here, I'm actually looking for a specific course. And you can see I'm actually querying the database. And this is how a query would be done. I'm defining a variable course as an observable that's saying, let's look at this Angular Fire database object. And I'm passing in the path to it, which is over here, which is /courses. And there it is. And so I'm going to bring that in. Now, when I do this, I'm basically passing this instance of the course as a variable, and back over here, I'm grabbing my courses.description. All right, so if I go back over here, you can see it pulled it in. I'll hit refresh, my local host. There it is. But here's the cool part. Look how, to me this is amazing. I don't know, maybe everybody else knew about this but me. But check this out. Look how real time this database is. I'm going to change the description in the database right now. Test. I added, look, there it is. It automatically updated through WebSockets to update the page with the new data in real time. If I came back to the database and I remove that, it removes it in real time on my web application. I think that's amazing how fast that is. Test for beginners. And you hit that, boom, there it is. This is great for like real-time updates of something like monitoring tools. I have a monitoring tool at work I've built. You could have real-time updates of every single test being updated in the page in real time with something like this. So I thought that was pretty cool. Wanted to do a quick video on it. I know this doesn't tell you how to do it. Going through that will be a whole different lecture. There's some tutorials online from other people that are great. I actually learned this from a course on Udemy called Angular 2 and Firebase. So you might want to check that out. It was on sale for like $14, and it's good because it walks you through, gives you about a 4-hour lecture on how to set up an Angular 2 application that pulls from Firebase. Anyway, that's it.